Hello everyone, welcome to this course. In today's session, we learn about material group. So, what is material group in SAP? A material group in SAP is a category used to classify similar materials. It helps in easy purchasing, inventory management, reporting, and analysis. For example, first, RM01 raw material, steel rod, grain, basic input material. Raw materials are items used in the production process. Second, FG01 finished goods. Finished goods are the final product sold to customers. For example, bicycle, laptop, washing machine. Third, packaging material, PACK. Packaging materials are used to pack and protect products. For example, bottles, tap, etc. So, a material group help organize material, make purchasing easier, and improve reporting in SAP. Next, why we create material in SAP? Spending overview. Material groups help us get a quick overview of company spending. For example, suppose a company purchased laptop, keyboard, mouse. All these materials are assigned to material group IT equipments. Now, when the purchase team runs report like ME to N, they can easily see how much money is spent only on IT equipments. This helps management in cost control and budgeting. Second, track purchase and stock. Material groups make it easy to track purchase and stock movement. In a manufacturing company, raw material group RM. Second, packaging material group PM. Using transaction codes like ME2N purchase order. Second, MB52 stock overview. The company can track how much raw material is purchased and how much stock is available material group wise. Group helps in automatic account determination. For example, office chairs and tables are assigned to material groups. Office furniture. During purchase order creation, ME21 and SAP automatically pick the correct GL account. No need to enter it manually. This reduces posting errors and save time for finance team. Fourth, consistent classification. Material group ensures standards across the organizations. Example, if all plants use the same material groups for helmets, shoes, these reports from different plants will be uniform and accurate. This is a very important for audit, reporting, procurement analysis. So, a material group is mainly used for classification, reporting, purchasing, analysis, and account determination in SAP. What is purchase group in SAP? A purchase group is organizational unit that represent a buyer or a group of buyers who are responsible for purchasing activities in an organization. In simple words, it tells SAP who is responsible for procurement. Purchase group is used in purchase requisition (PR), purchase order (PO), reporting reports and analysis. It helps the company to track buyers' responsibility, monitor workload of buyers, analyze purchasing activities. Please remember, purchase group does not affect pricing or accounting. One purchase group can handle multiple plants. Next, shipping instruction in SAP. Shipping instructions are guidelines given to the vendor about how goods should be delivered. They define the mode and conditions of delivery for a purchase order. What do shipping instructions include? So, mode of transport. First is mode of transport. This specifies how the material should be transported, such as by road, by air, by sea. Second, packaging requirements. These instructions tells the vendor how to pack the goods. For example, active wrapping to avoid damage. First, fragile, handle with care. Second, proper boxes. Third, protective wrapping to avoid damage. In short, shipping instructions tell how, when, and under what conditions the goods must be delivered. Third, delivery terms. These define who is responsible for cost and risk during transportation, such as a FOB, free on board, CIF, cost insurance, freight. Fourth, delivery schedule. This specifies when the goods should be delivered, such as exact delivery date, on-time delivery requirements, and delivery within working hours. Purchase valuation key. A purchase valuation key is used to determine how a material is valued during purchasing. It helps SAP decide which price or valuation should be applied when we procure a material. Purchase valuation key is mainly used in purchase order, purchase info record, price determination during procurement. Why do we use it? Sometimes the same material is purchased in a different ways. For example, domestic purchase, second import purchase. In such case, the price and valuation may be different. Purchase valuation key helps SAP apply the correct valuation and pricing. In short, purchase valuation key means how the material is valued at the time of purchasing. So that's all for today's session. Next we will do hands-on part. Don't miss the next session. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and keep practicing. Bye bye.